Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In last video we had discussed to outline, and now we are going to talk about further techniques, and the second tip is color palette. So once your outline is ready and to start preparing your slide, the first thing that you need to do is choose a template for your presentation, and one important aspect, that is the color palette. So what is the color palette? A color palette is basically a combination of colors that go very well with each other and also make your presentation look really beautiful. So we are going to inbuilt template of PowerPoint, then a color palette usually comes along with it. But if you are preparing your templates from scratch, something I like to do, that is color palette. Now there are many websites that are available with beautiful color palette. I have put the link to them in description below for you. Another suggestion when choosing a color palette would be to go with the color of the brand that you are presenting. An example, you have a college presentation, then you can use color that are present in the logo of your college. Or if you are going for a company presentation, then you can pick color which represent the brand or which even represent the logo of your company. When you choose the color palette, it gives a theme to your presentation and bring the whole presentation together. Fonts. The next tip is to use the right font for your presentation. When it comes to font, I have seen most of the people using Times New Roman. But the problem is that is a serif font. Serif font have different thickness at different part of the letter, because of which they are very difficult to read on digital media. So when you are going for digital display like presentation, it's always better to go for sans serif font. So sans serif font have uniform thickness all around the letter, which is why they are much more easier to read. My top recommendation for your presentation would be to go for Calibri, Arial, or even Open Sans font. So now with the design of your slide ready, with the color palette and the font, let's talk about the body language. Fourth one is body language. In fact, research say that 55 of the communications takes place not through what you are saying, but through your body language. So use your body language to your favor to increase impact of your presentation. Keep a straight posture, maintain eye contact with your audience, and use hand gesture to increase the impact of your delivery. Probably keep them in steeple pose. Keeping your hand in this posture also show confidence when you are talking. The fifth and the final tip is to practice. Practice. All these tips are useless if you don't practice them. So make sure to use these tips in your next presentation. Practice make a man perfect. Stand in front of the mirror. This is a best way to analyze to yourself and to your mistakes. So guys, these was 5 techniques I want to share with you today about presentation skills. And in the end, thanks for watching this video, and I wish to all the best for your future presentations.